iOS 26.4.1 is out. The fix-it update you actually need.
Apple just dropped iOS 26.4.1, and I know what you're thinking. Another update? It's just a point release. I can skip it, right? Wrong. While 26.4 gave us all the flashy features, this update is the surgical strike that fixes the bugs that have been driving us crazy for the last 2 weeks. If your iCloud has been acting up or your phone is running a bit too hot, listen up. This is everything you need to know in under 3 minutes.
The headline here is iCloud stability. If you've noticed that your notes, photos, or most importantly, the new Passwords app haven't been syncing between your Mac and iPhone, 26.4.1 is the fix you've been waiting for. Apple tracked down a CloudKit bug that was breaking that magic connection.
Secondly, performance. Some iPhone 16 and 17 users reported their devices were getting a little toasty during heavy AI tasks or gaming on the 26.4 build. This update optimizes that thermal management, so your phone stays cool under pressure. There's also a big win for security. For those using managed devices or anyone who values that extra layer of protection, stolen device protection has been reinforced. It's a minor tweak, but in 2026, you could never have enough layers on your personal data. So who is this for? If you have an iPhone 11 or newer, you're on the list. Pro tip, this update is about 500 MB. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have at least 50% battery before you hit that install button. My recommendation? Update immediately. It's not about the features this time. It's about making sure your iPhone actually works the way it's supposed to. But I want to hear from you. Have you been seeing that iCloud sync error? Or has your battery life been better since the jump to iOS 26? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.